Alright. There's another one of these suckers. Honeywell Energy Management. Let me see if I can get it. No, I can't. Fish out the gosh darn thermostat. There's a Scotsman ProDig remote ice maker and every stinking thing's on the freaking roof. It's currently freezing in here. Alright, thanks for viewing. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, this is my neighbor's Intertherm furnace. And that red dot's the camera orientation sensor. The Intertherm by Nordon. It acts like a little light, and there's thermostat, Intertherm. Got like night vision on here. Here's the rest of his house. And got a Kenmore 22 refrigerator. How cool. All Frigidaire. All Frigidaire. All Frigidaire. This dishwasher's never been used. Alright, thanks for viewing.